Hey everybody, back for chapter number 2. I guess chapter number 1 was the introductory version of Law Meets Life. Chapter number 2 is a brief introduction to estate planning. It's a fancy term for planning for your estate. None of us are going to be here forever, and we want to know what's going to happen to our assets when we pass away, who's going to get them, and how are they going to pass to our heirs. It's basically getting organized, knowing what assets you have, whose name is on them. Are they solely owned? Are they jointly owned with others on them? Or are they solely owned assets with named beneficiaries? Most people confuse a will as an end-all document. A will only controls assets that you have that are in your name alone with no named beneficiaries. Jointly owned assets will go to the surviving owner. Solely owned assets with named beneficiaries will go straight to the beneficiaries. But solely owned assets that have no named beneficiaries will be controlled by the will and need to be addressed by having a will. The other parts of most people's estate planning involve a power of attorney, a living will, or a healthcare proxy, and some people also want a trust. We'll briefly talk about all of those other documents as we go forward with more of these videos, but we're just getting the basic subjects, things that people need to think about, things that everyone needs to have. Certainly, if you have a family, you should have a will and you should know what's going to happen with your assets. And again, you might want a trust also. Feel free to call me, 860-430-1200. Email me. I'll put the email address in the body of this video. And again, if you have any questions on any of these items, give me a call or shoot me an email and we'll talk about them in more detail. Just real basic stuff here though. Planning for your estate. Everyone should have a plan for those things. Talk to you soon.